Welcome to Cooking with Taylor. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip muffins. The ingredients you will need are 2/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. And obviously the mix. So we're going to pour it in. Like this. And then I don't think it really matters what order it goes in, so just pour whatever in first. And then mix it.
While you're mixing, will you tell us when you like to eat these muffins?
Usually at breakfast and sometimes at lunch. So before you put the muffin mix in, you should probably spray it. Your oven should already be preheated to 375 degrees. So now get like an ice cream scooper or something and level it out and make sure it stops dripping to put it in your pan.
And how full do you make each spot?
Like at least half.
Not all the way to the top though, right?
Yeah, not like all the way. This one might actually be a little bit too big.
And this mix makes 12 muffins, so it should just be evenly divided.
Yeah, we'll probably have to divide it at the end. But these are really easy to make. Time to go in the oven.
It's going to cook for about 20 minutes.
Taste test time. You want to do it with me? Well, my bad. Alright. And they're super good. What would you rate it, 10 out of 10? Yeah, definitely. Maybe a 9 out of 10.